Bahadur Ji was ninth Guru of Sikhs. He held Guruship from 1664 to 1675. He formed in Makhowal in the state of Kehlur, later on which came to be known as Sri Anandpur Sahib. Guru Sahib spent most of his time in preaching Sikhism. Besides Punjab, he travelled to Delhi, Agra, Allahabad, Banaras, Daya, Dhaka, Patna and Assam. The relation between the Sikhs and the Mughals was a little bit cordial till 1605. However, in 1606, after the martyrdom of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the relations even worsened. This growing bitterness was the potent cause for a martyrdom of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. In 1658, Aurangzeb was a new Mughal emperor. He was a Sunni Muslim, so he wanted Islam to be flourished in every nook and corner of India. So he destroyed many Hindu temples that was very famous and built mosques in their places. The people were really very impressed with the teachings of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. So thousands of people shifted their religion to Sikhism after his teachings. When Kashmiri Pandits came to Guru Sahib to tell the atrocities being committed on them by Aurangzeb, then Guru Sahib decided to give his martyrdom just to give a blow to the Mughal Empire. Guru Sahib with his three companions, Bhai Mati Das Ji, Bhai Sati Das Ji and Bhai Dayala Ji, proceeded from Sri Anandpur Sahib to Delhi on 11th July 1675. The next day, the Mughal officials, on the order of Aurangzeb, arrested Guru Sahib and his three companions near Ropar. They were kept in prison for 4 months in Sirhind. Guru Sahib and his three companions, as ordered by Aurangzeb, were taken to his court in Delhi on 6 November 1675. There, Aurangzeb asked Guru Sahib and his three companions to embrace Islam or either choose death. Guru Sahib and his companions refused to embrace Islam. After this, Guru Sahib and his three companions were tortured. In order to demoralize Guru Sahib, his three companions, Bhai Mati Das Ji, Bhai Sati Das Ji and Bhai Dayala Ji were tortured to death. After that, Guru Sahib was asked to show some miracle, but Guru Sahib refused to oblige. On 11th November 1675, Guru Sahib was beheaded at Chandni Chowk in Delhi. Now where stands Gurdwara Sees Ganj Sahib. The history of India is replete with sacrifices. But sacrifice of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji has not even started a new beginning in the history of Punjab but also in the history of India. Many sacrifices are given just for the sake of country or religion, but Guru Sahib gave his martyrdom just because of the downtrodden and the protection of the religion which he did not belong to. This example has no parallel in the history of world even. So that is why Guru Sahib is called Hindi Chadar. After Guru Sahib's martyrdom, Sikhs believed that they really need to shape their religion in order to protect it from other religions like Islam. So Guru Gobind Singh Ji on Baisakhi established Khalsa Panth and gave a new spirit to Sikhism. So finally, if we agree to the saying of famous historian S.S. Johar that Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's martyrdom was a great event of significance in the history of world, and it has many far-reaching consequences like wars between the Mughals and the Sikhs, and establishment of Hinduism, and also the Mughal Empire was finished.